Reviews. Can you sell your products on Amazon with 0 reviews? Of course not. In this video, 3 simple strategies to help you get more reviews and get better sales on Amazon, starting with strategy number 1. Strategy number 1 is simply using a thank you card, or better known in the Amazon industry as an insert card. So this would be a standard business card where you would print like a thank you note, something interesting, maybe with your logo even, and have a call to action whereby asking somebody to leave a review if they like the product. But do not incentivize them. Make sure that it's according to Amazon's guidelines, which were updated in 2020. Make sure that you just simply ask them to leave a feedback. I would also suggest that you add something like follow me on my social media, something like that, so that you can get people to know a little bit more about your brand, who you are, and what you are doing. If you have social media channels, it's always important to have some type of interaction with the people that purchase your product. Simple, easy, nice, and don't make it cost a lot of money, because these cards end up in the bin, to be quite honest. Now, before I move on to strategy number 2 and 3, make sure that you like this video and leave me a comment in the comment section below which one is your favorite strategy. Make sure you watch the video till the end so you know exactly how you can win a 1-hour consultation call with me where we can talk about Amazon and anything related to your business on Amazon. Now, strategy number 2, I hope you're gonna like this, but it would be to add a free surprise gift. Definitely, it shouldn't break your budget, for sure, but if you are able to add a nice free gift, and I would highly recommend that you actually package it and write gift on it so they understand that you didn't send it by mistake, that you actually intentionally added it as a gift. Now that would be great. So imagine ordering something and getting a cute little gift inside. Definitely the gift needs to be of good value. It shouldn't be just something that people will consider useless and throw away. And from a business perspective, it also should not be something that costs you a lot of money because it's something additional. But here is the kicker. You should not be advertising it, or you shouldn't even mention it in your listing, because that shock, that gratefulness that people will feel when they get the product, they open it and they discover that you sent them a free gift is great. And also, don't add it to your listing because maybe you change your mind later on and you just can't simply remove it if you have it in your images and stuff like that. So just create it as something that could be a potential surprise. Strategy number 3 is simply ask, by adding an automation system that asks reviews whenever somebody orders a product from you. We have an automation system inside of our software, Sellers Society. Let me show you. So this is the Sellers Society website. You can check all of the information and details about Sellers Society, and you can also click here to do a 6-day free trial. This is the main Sellers Society dashboard once you have an account and you've linked all of your, if you have multiple Amazon accounts, you can link all of them. This is a demo account. What you need to look at is you need to enter into my channels, go down to review management. This is an automated system that sends reviews in the form of an email every time somebody requests a product or every time somebody purchases a product. This is what the automation review system looks like. You just click it on, save and apply, and it'll start working. Basically, it will send an email that is an email that looks like an email from Amazon. That's according to Amazon's guidelines. Every 5 days or 5 days after the order has been placed. And it just basically asks the customer to leave a review via an email. And as you can see, some of those emails have still not been sent. And this is what the email will look like. The customer will receive an email like this, where they can rate the actual product and or rate the actual seller. As simple as that. If you're still in the product research phase and you're looking for the perfect product to sell, make sure that you watch this video right here, where I dissect all the steps that you need to take in order to find a profitable product, in particular in the Middle East. And if you want to win a 1-hour consultation call with me, you guessed it, click the thumbs up button and leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.